Australia has a brand new $5 note that's in circulation now, but we're hearing reports that it's not actually working in vending machines. So we took to the streets to find out for ourselves. Great. No dice. No deal. No deal, again. For the punter out there, is your $5 going to work in the pokies? Let's try a different machine. Trusty worksnack machine, you will not fail me now. Goodbye, snacks. All right, government-owned state rail, surely this has to work. Victory! All that R&D on Australia's new dollary dues is going to get you a single train ticket. But if you want absolutely anything else, then you're out of luck.